Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell about computer and parts of computers. Nowadays, computers are being used in many fields like banking, medical sectors, school, college, etc. So, let's know about computer. What is a computer and how does it work? A computer is an electronic machine made up of components such as software and hardware, and it's used to store, transmit, receive and access information or data. There are mainly three types of computer: analog computer, digital computer and hybrid computers. And there are mainly two parts of computer. One is hardware and another is software. Now we will know what is hardware with examples. Hardware is those parts of computer that we can see and touch. Such as mouse, keyboard, monitor, electronic and electric circuits, etc. And another one is software. Software is a meaningful programs. And necessary information that tells the computer. What work it has to do. Like the mobile phone you use, it's an operating system called Android, which is a types of software. Similarly, your laptop and computer also runs on an operating system called Windows, Mac OS, which is a types of software. If you like the video, please subscribe my news channel and like the video.